Welcome to the world of welding apprenticeships, where opportunities to forge a strong career are abundant. Today we'll dive into the benefits, structure, and success stories of starting your journey as a welder. Imagine earning a median salary of $48,940 as a skilled welder, with a projected employment of around 421,730 jobs. The field is expected to see little change in employment through 2032, with about 42,600 job openings each year due to the need to replace retiring workers or those leaving the occupation. Through a blend of academic study and practical experience, apprenticeships mold you into a master of the trade, equipping you with both the technical know-how and the soft skills needed in the field. After completing your apprenticeship, a world of certifications awaits, each opening new doors to increased marketability and potential earnings. Embark on a 3 to 4 year journey, dedicating 8,000 hours to mastering your craft, and emerge as a sought-after professional in the welding industry. With your apprenticeship complete, step into the workforce with the potential for higher wages and full-time employment opportunities, often with the very companies that trained you. Ready to ignite your career in welding? Visit tradeschools.net to learn more about welding apprenticeships and take the first step toward a bright future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into vocational training.